Hey guys, it's Kian, back with another YouTube video. So I'm taking a tidget little break from talking about confidence and self-love and self-advocacy and being like the best person you could possibly be. I'm still gonna make videos like that, but today I wanna get back into my keto diet. I have another video that I'm gonna link above my head. That is another video that I had talking about how I lost 40 plus pounds to close to 50 pounds on the keto diet. I lost about 47 to 50 plus pounds on the keto diet when I was doing it last year in 2020, and it took me about 3 months. So I'm back at it again. I had a really lit summer and I drank and I ate whatever I liked, and I didn't necessarily gain weight. I gained maybe about 5 pounds because I am watching what I'm eating as well, but I've decided to again go back to doing a keto OMAD, and I just want to kind of show you guys kind of what I eat in the day. Just a disclaimer, I am not a dietitian. Whatever you take from this video, whatever you do with this information in this video, I am not liable for it. I am not liable for you getting hangry and burning down a Walmart. That ain't got nothing to do with me. But yeah, again, my name is Kian, and today we're talking about the Keto OMAD diet. So every single day I eat 1 meal a day, and it's kind of easier for me. It does take like a lot of discipline, but it is a little easier on my pockets because I can only eat once a day, and that saves me tons of money. I don't have to eat out, and I can just eat food in the comfort of my home. So I kind of wake up around maybe like 4 or 5 or 6 in the morning. It depends on what I'm doing. And I fast until like the afternoon, so like noonish, maybe like 11 or 12, because I'm usually a breakfast person and I really like breakfast foods. So now that I had to like kind of wait, and that's kind of what I really loved, I wait more till noon. So the first thing that I had when I started making my meal is my Johnsonville sausage. It's an Italian hot sausage. One leg was about 26 calories, 3 carbs, 21 grams of fat, and 14 grams of protein. And as you can see, I've already got my kale started. And what I have on a plate is 67 grams of kale already weighed. And that equals out to 32 calories, 5.5 grams of carbohydrates, 0.8 grams of fat, and 3.2 grams of protein. And then I waited for my Brussels sprouts to cook in the air fryer. In the air fryer, I have 149 grams of Brussels sprouts cooking in there. And that counts out to 79 calories, 14 grams of carbohydrate, 0 grams of fat, and 5.3 grams of protein. I really love my air fryer, guys. It like really changed my life. Like, you can just throw anything in there and it'll just come out magnificently cooked every single time. And then I turn around and I go on to cook the rest of my spinach. I cook my kale and my spinach separate because I like to weigh them separately. So I have 58 grams of spinach in there, and it equals out to 14 calories, 2 grams of carbohydrates, 0 grams of fat, and 1.4 grams of protein. From there, I just ended up taking some frozen broccoli florets, and I take them out. I put some on the side so I can cook them in the microwave. I'm not really fancy, like I said. And guys, I know it just looks like a heaping pile of vegetables, but trust me, like, if you season your vegetables, they will be so good. It's gonna be like you're not even eating a vegetable. Season it and cook it down, and it will be like a Chuck E. Cheese pizza, I promise. Not really. It's not gonna be like a pizza, but it's gonna be good, trust me. Anyway, so after I take my broccoli out and set it aside for the microwave, I start cooking my eggs. I have about 3 eggs, and I just season it like normal and just wait for that to cook. And while that's cooking, I go back and I have my heated broccoli and I put it on the plate with my Brussels sprouts. So on my plate, I have 123 grams of broccoli, 43 calories, 5.8 carbs, 0 grams of fat, and 2.9 grams of protein. Okay, and my 3 eggs had about 210 calories, 3 grams of carbs, 13.5 grams of fat, 18 grams of protein. And then at the end on my FitnessPal, I do calculate the oil that I use when I'm cooking things and a little bit of cheese that I put in there. It wasn't like a really great amount. It was like a sprinkle of cheese, so I didn't add it into the video. But for everything, for my whole entire meal, it came out to 1,204 calories, 34 grams of fat, 34 grams of carbs with 22 grams of net carbs, 98 grams of fat, and 48 grams of protein. Hi, Nandi. I'm gonna insert a picture of my macros on my FitnessPal and kind of what it looks like when you use the app, and that's how I kind of keep track of everything that I'm eating. And for the drink, it's simple. I just typically have water, but since I'm on keto diet and I'm really dehydrated, I do have a water enhancer called Ultima that I got from Sprouts, and it has chloride, electrolytes, sodium, potassium, and calcium. I think I already said that. But and it has 0 calories, 0 sugars, like 0 everything. And it's just like a little packet that you can put in your water, and it tastes really good. I think at Sprouts they have like raspberry flavor, blueberry flavor, which I've had. I had the raspberry, the blueberry, and the lemonade, which is like my favorite one, because I never get tired of it. But yeah, you can get it from Sprouts or any kind of local health food store, and that kind of helps out when you want some juice or something like that. Or if you're really craving soda, you can have like sparkling soda. I know it's not the same, y'all, but if you get like maybe like a sparkling soda with some enhancer, boom, you got you a great soda pop. I'm sorry, y'all, I know it's hard, but it is what it is. It's a lot of dedication and not a lot of life changes. Anyways, and lastly, what I have and what I take throughout the day is a woman's multivitamin. This vitamin I also got from Sprouts. Is because it's totally impossible to get all your nutrients in one meal. So to kind of compensate for the missing nutrients that I have throughout the day, I take this multivitamin. Bada bing, bada boom. I might put some links in the bios for you guys, so you can just kind of click on it. But other than that, that's really all I have for you. That's kind of what my journey is about right now. Going back to Keto OMAD, I was super stoked, super excited. I've been on it for about a week now, and I lost about, well, it's obviously just, it's water weight. When you do a lot of research about the keto diet, you know that in the first week, it's usually water weight that you lose. So when I first started, I was about maybe 207 pounds because, you know, I teeter like literally like 5 to 7 pounds. I go up and down, I fluctuate, but I never go under 200. So I was 207, fluctuating from 201 to like 209, whatever. So I went from like 207 to 198 to 194, like that fluctuating part. So 194 is like the lowest that I've stepped on a scale. So I'm thinking I'm lost about maybe like 10 pounds of water weight roughly. So it's going good so far, but if you keep going at it, after you lose the water weight, if you keep going, you're going to start losing fat. And once you lose some weight, you can slowly get off the keto diet and start building muscle with a better health program. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Like I said, again, I'm not a nutritionist, but if you liked what I had to say and if you like my content, like, share, subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week, possibly more. We'll see. And I'll catch you guys later.